everybody, my name is Ariella and I am the done for you girl. That's right, I do the work for you. Now you know what kills people every single day? Skepticism and not taking action now. Now, come a step closer. Let me show you something. I am crazy and I am showing you my account balance. $93,000! 93K, what would you do with $93,000? More importantly, forget me. I want to help everyone like yourselves tuning in right now. Now, come here. First sale, 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 first sale. I help everyone get their first sale online. Why? Because I do the work for you. Click the button below, join me in my live training, and let me show you the land to paradise. Let's go, baby.